Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name's Al Lucchino, and I want to welcome you into Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. I've got something I want to show you and review with you today. It's a 2025 Road Glide, but the bike has some unique aspects to it. It has the Whiskey Firestorm paint. Now, this is an awesome cosmetic upgrade. The front fender, the fairing, the tank, the side covers, the saddlebags, everything but the rear fender has a ghost flame. The bike is stunning. I don't think these videos and pictures do the motorcycle justice. Come on down and see this bike, because if you see it and ride it, you're going to buy it. Now let me explain what makes this Road Glide so fantastic. And I'm going to say something important. And what I'm about to say is that the Road Glide handles better than any touring bike has a right to. And there's a real specific reason for it. Harley-Davidson has worked very hard. Larger diameter axles. If you look at the swing arm, it looks like it's a tapered swing arm that looks like a motocross swing arm from the Works Honda motocrossers of the late 70s and early 80s. In other words, it's extremely strong and rigid. As I said, big diameter axles, a big backbone to the frame for chassis rigidity, but there's something else unique that Harley-Davidson and the Road Glide has that other touring bikes don't have. Our triple trees are designed to bring the fork tubes back behind the center of the steering stem. It gives the bike some of its unique and awesome and light feeling handling, especially at low speeds. So you can push the bar and the bike wants to still center itself and go straight. Just beautiful, dependable, easy, reliable handling. Again, the Harley-Davidson Road Glide handles better than any touring bike has a right to. Now, let me walk you through this motorcycle. We've got a frame-mounted fairing, so the bike is less susceptible to turbulence and crosswinds than another touring bike. We've got the new 12.3-inch infotainment. You've got the GPS, which is available by subscription, one-time cost $350. We've got double disc brakes, Brembo calipers, anti-lock brakes, traction control, and ride modes. It's a full electronic suite that you can either use or ignore, but you've still got an honest motorcycle. And at the heart of this motorcycle is a Generation 2 117-inch Milwaukee 8 motor, what we call center cooled. We've got a radiator, we've got liquid cooled cylinder heads, but it looks air cooled. It just looks like a little chin spoiler. And the Generation 2 gives us an upgraded cylinder head and spring package that allows us to much more successfully install higher lift stage 2 cams and get even more power out of this motorcycle. We've got a 6-speed transmission, so we've got a gear for every situation. And as Harley-Davidson has had for years, and as we pioneered, we've got a belt final drive that's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. And then when you start to add it up, features like our one-touch saddlebags, easy to open, no fuss, weatherproof. It just makes the Harley-Davidson simply the absolute best touring bike made today and on the road. This bike sells for just over $32K. Come on down. You can take it for a test ride at Harley-Davidson in Danbury. We're located on exit 7 off I-84, half mile south of the Home Depot. And we're here Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your business at Harley-Davidson in Danbury.